English Kazakh future. I will go equals.
мен барамын.
Welcome. Hey you, ready to master a tiny but mighty chunk of Kazakh? Let's have fun and keep it moving. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, fuel for your language brain. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources, printables, and practice. Today we'll lock in the future of to go, starting with the star. I will go.
мен барамын.
Strap in, language legend. Your goal today. By the end, you'll say and understand all future forms of to go in Kazakh. You've got this. I will go.
мен барамын.
You, sing, will go.
сен барасың.
He, she, it will go.
ол барады.
We will go.
біз барамыз.
You, plural, will go.
сендер барасыңдар.
They will go.
бұлар барады.
Mini dialogue. Listen in and echo the Kazakh lines out loud. Smile, speaking muscles online. A. Tomorrow, what's the plan? B. First, I will go.
мен барамын.
A. And you? B. Of course.
сен барасың.
Snacks first, but then, go. A. What about Eisen? B. No worries.
ол барады.
A. Group power? B. Yep.
біз барамыз.
A. And the late squad? B. When the bell rings.
сендер барасыңдар.
A. Last question. Will the plan work? B. Relax.
ол барады.
And by the way, the hikers? A. Ah, right.
бұлар барады.
Call and response. I say the English, you fire back the Kazakh. Big voice, bold rhythm. I will go. Answer.
мен барамын.
You, sing, will go. Answer.
сен барасың.
He, she, it will go. Answer.
ол барады.
We will go. Answer.
біз барамыз.
You, plural, will go. Answer.
сендер барасыңдар.
They will go. Answer.
бұлар барады.
Speed quiz. Quick reflexes time. Answer before I reveal it. Q1. Kazakh for, we will go. A.
біз барамыз.
Q2. Kazakh for, you, plural, will go. A.
сендер барасыңдар.
Q3. I will go. A.
мен барамын.
Q4. They will go. A.
бұлар барады.
Q5. You, sing, will go. A.
сен барасың.
Bonus. In a reassuring sense, it will go, it'll work out. A.
ол барады.
Culture tip. Tiny grammar gem to sound smarter than your coffee. In Kazakh, the form
ол барады.
often covers present habitual and planned, near future. Context does the heavy lifting. Reassuring someone? You can say, it will go, i.e., it will work out.
ол барады.
Planning with friends? We will go, lands as.
біз барамыз.
Keep your ear on context, and you'll sound naturally fluent. The 10-second challenge. Stand up, step forward on each line, and speak with swagger. Step 1. I will go.
мен барамын.
Step 2. you, sing, will go.
Сен барасың.
Step 3. He, she, it will go.
Ол барады.
Step 4. We will go.
Біз барамыз.
Step 5. You, plural, will go.
Сендер барасыңдар.
Final step. They will go.
Бұлар барады.
Victory wiggle optional. Goodbye and next steps. You crushed it, future tense unlocked. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing these lines in your day.
Мен барамын. Сен барасың. Ол барады. Біз барамыз. Сендер барасыңдар. Бұлар барады.
This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more lessons, drills, and printables at www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.